This is a tutorial to show you how you can add products to your point of sale. So where we need to start is likely from the very beginning. You probably don't have categories created that will go into your point of sale. So let's go into products, and the three options that you have at the very bottom is product categories. Let's click this and actually create the categories, call them out so we can tag them appropriately. We will go here to add category. And let's just call this admissions. Let's call this concessions. And you could describe it. The category type is something that's built in on our side. I'm actually going to put concessions to concessions because all the products that I tag under a concession, I want it to live under that specific category type in the point of sale. And you could color code it if you'd like. So maybe concessions, we'll make them blue. We'll go ahead and save that. Now, on the product, when you create a product, Coca-Cola, domestic beer, t-shirt, you'll go in and kind of go through that normal product creation. I've already created one, so I want to go here and view, edit that product. And we'll see domestic beer. I will edit this, and we will be populated the rate for it. So if you want it taxable, if you want it to be within a particular category, we do. We want it to be under concessions. I'm going to uncheck e-commerce store because that is something separate for other clients. And then the ability if you were going to schedule it. This isn't associated with a schedule at all. It's just a product that lives in the point of sale. So this is relatively basic and simple. So now that we've got that tagged and I do want to see it taxable, let's go into save the product. Now that product is saved, we will go into point of sale and let's see that it aligned up under the concessions tab. We now have a domestic beer. When I click that domestic beer into the tab, you can see that the price is $3.50, tax was added, 0.7% in this scenario, puts 25 cents on it for a grand total of $3.75. So go ahead and add all of the products you would like and then tag them appropriately to the categories that you make it for.